Yasa mfana wami. Ngifuna ukungizwa ungizwisisa. Ngiyabona mina angiyena ubaba onehlobo eqinile kusesi wakho. Into engifuna kusesi wakho iyodwa nje ukuthi angenze ukuthi ngisichenge ngaye. Futhi adlalele ekudeni nezinto ezingamfaka engozini.
Babe, are you sure about this? Come, relax.
Ngiyabona iba nathi mfana wami. Ngizomela besibonile sihle la emphakathini. Njengawe nje my boy.
No, all right, Pops. I'll never let you down.
Mama, Papa. Kuna muta ngifuna kuni-introduce kuye. I-girlfriend yami lo uLeila. Leila, this is my mom, my dad, and my brother.
Uyasangana wena kahle kahle khanda lakho. Ubuzositshela nini ukuthi ushona namantombazane wena?
I thought this was gonna make you guys happy.
Happy?
What do you guys want from me? Okay, I get it. I've been a bad child, but I'm trying to be a good one. I want to see myself passing with flying colors. And with the advices Dad gave me of staying away from boys, I did take it. That's the reason why I'm dating this girl. I love her so much. And she's smart. Please.
My love. Angeke ngihlale lo mpito ngohlalela. Ukhamba nami manje.
Mama,